Video 4.5 Virtual Private Cloud or VPC. In this video, we will cover the following topics. What is VPC? What are the features of VPC? Demo of VPC. Hello, let's learn about VPCs, Virtual Private Clouds. A VPC resides inside of the AWS cloud, and it's essentially your own isolated segment of the AWS cloud itself. Now, by default, when you create your VPC, the only person that has access to this is your own AWS account, just you. It is totally isolated and no one else can gain access to your VPC other than your own AWS account. Now, obviously, there are millions upon millions of other VPCs within the AWS network created by other customers all across the world. So, there are millions of customer VPCs. However, they do not have access to your VPC, and likewise, you do not have access to their VPC. Now, what do you use a VPC for? Well, essentially, it allows you to start deploying resources within your VPC. For example, different compute resources or storage or database and other network infrastructure among others. And this allows you to start building and deploying your solutions within the cloud. By default, you are allowed up to 5 VPCs per region per AWS account. To create a VPC, you need to give it a name, define an IP address range that the VPC can use, and this is done in the form of a CIDR block, which stands for Classless Inter-Domain Routing. Simply put, a VPC is an isolated segment of the AWS public cloud that allows you to provision and deploy resources in a safe and secure manner. VPC gives you complete control of network configuration items such as IP address spaces, subnets, and route tables. Also, VPC offers several layers of security control. This includes isolating subnets, defining access control lists, and customizing routing rules. VPC integrates with numerous AWS services such as EC2, RDS, EMR, S3, Elastic Beanstalk, Route 53, etc. Features of VPC. Build upon high availability of AWS regions and AZs. Amazon VPC only with a region. Multiple VPCs for an AWS account. Subnets to divide VPC to span multiple AZs. Route tables control traffic going out of subnets. Internet Gateway or IGW allows internet access from VPC to public subnets. NAT Gateway allows private subnet to access internet. Network Access Control Lists or NACLs control access to subnets, stateless. VPCs can live within a region and can span across multiple AZs. A VPC defines an IP address that is then divided by subnets. These subnets are deployed within AZs, causing the VPC to span AZs. Coming to subnets, you can create as many subnets as you want in a VPC. You can configure route tables for your subnets to control traffic between subnets and the internet. All subnets within VPC can communicate with each other. Subnets are generally classified as public and private. Public has direct access to the internet. Private doesn't have direct access to the internet. Internet gateway is attached to VPC for a subnet to be public and update the route table to send non-local traffic. Now let us go hands-on with VPC. Go to the Management Console and search for VPC. In this dashboard, you can view all VPC resources such as VPCs, subnets, etc. Now click on your VPCs, where you can view the default VPC in use. Click on Create VPC. Give a name tag IPv4 CIDR block, tenancy, and click Create. Now you can view created VPC. Click on Subnets, where you can view the default subnets in use. Now click on Create Subnet to create a public subnet. Give name tag. Select the previously created VPC and an availability zone of your preference. Give IPv4 CIDR block and click on Create. Now you can view the created subnet. Select the subnet and click on Actions. Click on Modify Auto Assign IP Settings. Click on Auto Assign IPv4 Enable and Save. Now you can view the Auto Assign option as Yes. Now click on Create Subnet to create a private subnet. Give name tag. Select the previously created VPC and an availability zone of your preference. Give IPv4 CIDR block and click on Create. Here, you can view the created subnet. Now click on Internet Gateways and you can view the default Internet Gateway. Click on Create Internet Gateway, give name tag, and click on Create Internet Gateway. You can view the created Internet Gateway. Now click on Attach to a VPC. Select the VPC and click on Attach Internet Gateway. Here you can view the state of the Internet Gateway which is linked. Now click on Route Tables. You can view the default route tables in use. Click on Create Route Table. Give name tag VPC and click on Create. Now you can view the created route table, its summary, routes, etc. Now click on Edit Routes and Add Route. Select the created Internet Gateway and click on Save Routes. Here you can view the created route table. Now go to Subnet Associations and click on Edit Subnet Associations. Select Public Subnet and click on Save. You can view the created route table linked to the public subnet. Finally, go to the VPC dashboard and check on the summary on created VPCs. Summary. In this video, we have covered the following topics. What is VPC? What are the features of VPC? Demo of VPC. In the next video, we will learn about security groups in AWS.